Hello class 1, welcome to your English literature class children. Children, we have already completed the syllabus of syllabus of unit test 1, right? So today we will do the back exercise of the poem Baby Chicks. Baby Chick. So this is a book, all of you know that this is your book New Mulberry, and we will do Baby Chick the poem. So open your book at page number 41. Children, see, this poem we have already discussed, Baby Chick, right? And this is page number 41. As we have already completed the explanation of this chapter of this poem, we will do page number 42 today. We will do page number 42, that is making connection. What we will do? Making connection. Okay, these are the back exercises of this chapter. We will do the back exercise of this chapter. Okay, now put a tick against the correct answer. Now the first one, take a pencil in your hand. What we will do put a making connection. This is the exercise. So put a tick against the correct answer. The answer which are right, we have to put a tick. Two options are given, right? একটা question দুটো option আছে, the correct answer যেটা হবে সেখানে আমরা tick mark দেব. Understood? Now, who pecks on the egg? Pecks means to knock like this. Peck. Isn't it the sound that we make? So, who pecks on the egg? On the egg, who was pecking? Who want to come out from the egg? The chick inside it. Number one option, the mother. Number two option is the mother hen. The mother hen was pecking on the egg or the chick. So, it is the chick who was pecking, isn't it? So who pecks on the egg? So the correct answer is number one option. Okay, so this is number one option. Okay, so this is the correct answer for question number 1. A, that is A. Who pecks on the egg? The baby chick, right? So put a tick in the first option. Then number 2, who pecks on number 2 means number B here. What comes out of the egg first? What comes out of the egg first? The chick's leg or the chick's neck? What comes out? The neck comes out from the egg first or the chick's leg come out? So first of all, the neck of the chick comes out. Then here the first option is 1. This is the correct answer. The first option is the correct answer. So you will put a tick in first option. 1, small one, that is the chick's leg. What is the correct answer? The chick's leg. So you will put a tick in the box beside the chick's leg. Okay. Then number C, what does the chick want to do? What did the chick want to do? Does it want to be inside the egg? See, now options given are get out of the egg or go to the pond. So what does the chick want to do? The chick want to come out of the egg or it wanted to be in the pond? Second option. So which is the correct one? First one. The first option is the correct one. What does the chick want to do? The chick want to get out of the egg. So here which is the correct option? Option number 1. Option number 1. So you'll put a tick mark in option 1. So what we have seen for number A, who pecks on the egg? So here the correct option is 1. Then for number B, the correct option is number 1. No, number 2, correct option. What comes out first? The neck comes out first. So here for number B, number 2 is the correct option. Number 2 is the correct option. And for number C, number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Now number 2 question, describe the egg in the poem. This is number 2 question. Describe the egg in the poem. In the poem we have learned how was the egg. How was the egg? In the poem we have learned that the egg was brown in color, isn't it? Warm and brown. So if you are asked to answer this, I'll send the answer through Telegram. How would describe the egg in the poem? You will write the egg in the poem was oval also, isn't it? Oval in shape. The egg in the poem was oval and brown in color. Was oval and brown in color, or you can write the egg in the poem was oval and brown. Okay, done. Then number 3, find a word in the poem that rhymes with chick. From the poem you have to find out the rhyming word that goes with chick. The rhyming word, you know, rhyming word: cat, mat, hat, pot, hot, cot. So these are what? Rhyming word. So here in the poem, the rhyming word that goes with chick is trick. Trick, T-R-I-C-K, trick. See here, you will get it. Trick, chick, trick. Okay, see. Let us see that. How does a chick who has not been about discover the trick of how to get out? Okay, see in this paragraph, in the second stanza, you will get chick and trick. Okay, so what is the rhyming word that match with chick? That is trick. So this also I will send in the telegram. Okay, question number 2 and question number 3 I will send in the telegram. Clear? So this portion is done. Then have you ever seen the nest of a bird? Have you ever seen the nest of a bird? Where was it? Have you seen any? This is for discussion only. So where was it? If you have seen, where was that nest? What did it look like? How did the nest look like? Discuss in the classroom. This is for discussion. Okay. So done this one. Then we will come to page number 43. Page number 43. See here. Here we will learn about some sound made by different object. Okay. This is rain falling. So the sound made by rain is called pitter patter. Right. So you come to page number 43. Come to page number 43. See here we can see rain is falling. Isn't it? You can see clouds and rain is falling. When rain falls, the sound made by the rain is called pitter patter. Pitter patter. Then see here one boy is knocking at the door. If you suppose you have gone to visit your friend's house, then the door is closed. Then what you will do? You knock at the door, isn't it? So this sound is called knock knock. Okay, knock knock means knocking at the door. And next picture you can see a snake. Okay, so what is the sound made by snake? Is snake called? It is called hiss. Hiss. This is the sound made by snake call. Then sound made by a clock. Sound made by a clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Isn't it? This sound made by the clock is called tick tock, tick tock. Now this is the picture of a telephone. Now the sound that is made by telephone is called what? Tring tring, tring tring. We say na. Isn't it? So these are the sound made by some object call. Like look here, the question is look at the following picture and the sound they make. Can you think of some more sound words? Can you think of some more sound word? Okay, so here the sound made by rain is called pitter patter. Sound that you knock at when you knock at the door, it is called knock knock. Isn't it? We call knock the door, isn't it? So then the sound made by the snake is called hiss. Hissing sound, hiss. Then the sound made by a clock is called tick tock, tick tock. Then the sound that made by when someone calls on your telephone, then it makes the sound like tring 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 tring. Okay. Now see here number 2. Number 2, you can see some picture and the sound made by them. Okay, here the what the sounds are also given. You have to write in the blank. Suppose this is cow. This is what? Cat, a bird. This is a dog. This is crow. This is crow. So sounds are given here. You have to select the right sound from here and fill it up here. So suppose this is what? This is cow. So the sound made by cow is called what? Do you know? Moo. Moo, moo. Okay. So you'll write this moo here. So you can mark here number 1. Suppose this is number 1, you can write number 1 here. Okay. Yes, moo, M-O-O. Write down M-O-O. M-O-O. Moo. Then see this is cat. What is the sound made by cat called? What do you call it? Mew. Mew. We call it, see it is given here. Mew. First one. Cat. M-E-O-W. Mew, mew. So you'll write here mew, mew. Mew, mew. You do know? This is the sound made by cat call. So this is a bird. So the sound made by a bird, we see it is called chip, chip. See this is C-H-E-E-P, chip, C-H-E-E-P, chip. So chip, 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 chip. This is a sound made by this bird is called. Okay. Next one is dog. You know, dog. I'm very scared of dog, really. So, oof, oof. This is a sound made by dog also. You can write here, oof, oof. Say WOOF. Here you'll write WOOF. Oof. WOOF. Oof, oof, oof. Okay, this is called a barking sound of a dog, isn't it? Oof, oof. This is the sound. WOOF. WOOF dog. Oof. Then last one is crow. What is the sound made by crow? Crow called. Have you seen crow? Yes, lots of crows are there here and there. We can see early in the morning also, isn't it? And in the morning we can see this crow. They caw. The sound made by crow is called caw. CAW. Caw caw. Okay, so it is here caw caw. CAW caw. CAW caw. So here you will write in this blank. You will write caw. CAW caw. CAW caw. So this is moo. This is mew. This is chip. This is oof. And this is caw. Right? Right? So today we will do this much, and this way I think we have completed this poem also. Okay, you write it down properly, and afterward I will see to it. Thank you.